Okay, today I'm going to do this video on why watching videos is not equal to learning. Now, if you ever watched an ACCA video and you felt like you understood everything, after that you open a past year question and try to do it, and then you find that blank. You're not alone now. It's not your fault. The problem is the brain treats study videos the same way it treats TikTok or Netflix. It's in passive consumption mode. You're watching but not learning. The research shows that when we watch videos passively, we forget 90% of the content within 48 hours. But here's what changes everything. Learning doesn't happen while watching. It always happens after. That is when you struggle to retrieve that information through practice. Watching is just gathering raw material. The real happening happens when you use it. Now, I'm going to make a few simple videos. Short videos to share simple science-backed techniques to transform your video watching from wasted time into exam-ready knowledge. No extra hours needed, just smarter watching. Okay, in the next video, I will talk about the one thing top students do before hitting play, play the video, hitting play, that boosts retention by 35%. Don't miss it.